Hello everyone, my name is Precious. I come from Primary 3, Sekolah Terang Mulia. Today, I'm going to tell the story about birds. What makes a bird a bird? Its beak? No, platypus has beaks, but it's not a bird. They can fly? No, butterflies can also fly. So, what makes a bird a bird? The thing is the feathers. No other animal has feathers like the bird. Scientists that study birds is called ornithologists. The people that love watching and studying birds are called birders. Birds are vertebrates. It means they had backbones. And also, birds are warm-blooded. So if the temperature is cold, they will be still warm. Birds eat insects to survive and eat protein and makes them have energy to fly. Birds also eat seeds, berries, and fruits. Habitat is a place where there's lots of food, water, and shelter to make the birds live. Do you know that birds migrate when the season changes? Like they are in the north and they must go to south. But south birds go to the north for it is summer or spring. Birds communicate each other by songs, their call, and any other voices. A bird call is a single sound that the birds make. But their song is to tell if there's danger and attract the male. Now let's talk about the bird's bone. God decided a bird's bone different from any other bone of creature in the earth. God made the bird's bone light and hollow but very strong. Some birds are big and small. The biggest bird is an ostrich. The smallest bird is a hummingbird. Some birds eat meat like the eagle. Some eat nuts, seeds, berries, and fruits. Some need lots of their food, so they got energy to fly. Some fly high, some fly low. Did you know that some birds molting of their old feathers to new feathers and also different colors for them to camouflage from their predators? Now let's talk about the bird's feathers. In the very end of the feather is called the quail. In the middle of the feathers is called the shaft. This is the shaft. It's made of a material called keratin, like our fingernails. The soft part is called the vein. If you go like this to the same and go it up again. It's like a zipper. It's hatch. Now, preening. It's what a bird do when its feathers are molting. They use their beak to get the old feathers out. So, that's the story about birds. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the story. Bye.